Hey people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video, let's see how to make bajra or pearl millet porridge. Pearl millet is rich in iron, it is gluten-free, it is heart healthy and least allergenic, which means a food which can almost not cause allergy to babies. Now it is great for anemic children. Now, it can be given to babies above 8 months. So I'll show you two varieties of porridge today. How to prepare the porridge mix at first and how to prepare the savory version and the sweet version. I'm using dry dates powder here. You can even use jaggery if need be. And let's dive right in and see how to make this super tasty porridge. First, let's see the list of ingredients required to make this porridge in two ways, the bajra or pearl millet porridge. Here's the cooking method. In a thick bottom pan, let's add whole bajra grain and roast it for around 10 minutes until it got browned up. Sometimes it may cook sooner if you have a thicker bottom pan. Once it's done, you will transfer it to a plate to cool down. You can use bajra flour or pearl millet flour if you don't have it, and you just have to roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. And follow the other steps. Now this is urad dal. These both make a very soothing combination and a healthier one. That's why I have added it together. Now the same method, transfer it to a plate, allow it to cool, and then we will transfer both of it to a blender. Powder it, make a fine powder as much as you can. Make it fine, if not sieve it, because at home mixer sometimes you cannot get a fine powder. Now this is the porridge method 1. Add porridge mix here. We will not switch on the flame until we mix it up well. Cumin powder, pepper powder and salt is what I'm adding here, and along with that water. Give it a quick mix. A balloon whisk would be really helpful to make porridges because most of them form lumps and it takes a lot of time when you keep mixing it this way in normal spatulas. I'll give below the link for the balloon whisk in the description box. Please have a look. Keep mixing it. Now I'm adding ghee. I shall put the flame on, and it's very important to keep stirring it on low flame until it is cooked, until it thickens up like this. If at all you increase the flame, it gets lumped up again. Now our porridge is ready, the savory version of bajra millet, pearl millet porridge. Now we will make the porridge in sweeter version, method 2. I am taking the same porridge mix in a pan. I am adding this dry dates powder. You can buy it at a store. The link would be given in the description box. Please have a look. These are homemade dry dates powder without any chemicals and ideal for babies and toddlers whom you want to keep sugar free, but just add in some goodness sometimes to give it a better taste. I'm adding milk and dates powder, giving it a quick mix. Yes, milk can be used as an ingredient, but you cannot give milk as a whole food to babies below 1 year. Yes, this is done. This is the consistency you want. It may look too diluted now, but once it cools down, it can thicken up very quickly. So this is the texture, and this is our bajra millet porridge in 2 ways. I hope you like this recipe. Millets are the best superfoods which are cheap, which are almost grown without any pesticides. So there is no way that you have to worry about it. And yeah, some people assume that they are tough for babies, they cannot digest it, but no, with proper ingredients any food can be made easily digestible for babies, because below 1 year when you introduce variety to them, it is when they get prepared, their body is ready for most of the food. It's something good for them in the longer run. Now I have other recommendation: apple millet kheer, there is foxtail millet fried rice, there is apple kheer, and many other millet based recipes, idli and dosa as well, which can be made using millet. So if you are somebody who is yet to explore millets, please do check all these videos, and I'm sure you would love to try it, because it is not difficult to use millet in a daily food routine. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, comment and let me know, and share this with your friends, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.